Straight up, straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, definitely hit that subscribe button so you guys can get notified when I post another video. But for today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to start a YouTube channel on a budget, okay? So I started my YouTube channel about 6 years ago in 2017. And when I tell you it has been a journey, yeah, I came a long way. But throughout these years, I've learned a lot of tips on how to maintain a YouTube channel and how to start one even if you're on a budget and you don't have a lot of money. So I'm gonna be giving you guys tips on how to start a YouTube channel. So if you guys are interested, just continue watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get right into the video. So the first step in starting a YouTube channel is to get something to record your videos on, okay? So in order to record your videos, you would need a camera, obviously. But if you are on a budget and you can't really afford an $800 camera right now, you can get an iPhone. Yes, an iPhone. So you would need to get most likely like the latest iPhone. If you can, get the latest iPhone because the latest iPhones have the best camera quality. So you want to get the latest iPhone. I currently have the iPhone 14 and literally I'm recording on it right at this moment, guys. Yes, right at this moment I'm recording on my iPhone 14. So once you have your phone and you're able to record, you want to use certain settings on your iPhone. So you can use cinematic mode or you could just use the regular video. And the next thing that makes your videos look more quality is the lighting. So you want to get some type of lighting for the area that you film. Right now I have two lights in front of me. I have a ring light and I have this regular, I'm not sure what this is called, but I'm gonna list it or leave a picture of it right here. But I have a regular light and I have a ring light. So this really brings in a lot of light towards me. The regular light has like yellow low lights and then my ring light has like white low lights. So it kind of gives me that balance and the lighting that I'm looking for. So yeah, so you wanna just get really good lighting. These ring lights, I believe, honestly, I think the regular ring lights cost like $70 to $90. And then this little light that I have, I think they cost like $50, but that's something that you can't really like stray away from. You want to get good lighting. So I remember when I first started my YouTube channel, I really didn't have the money to get like a ring light. So I created a ring light for myself. I would never forget this. Like, I created my own ring light. I'll probably leave the link to the video that I followed when I did create my own ring light. But I made a DIY ring light, guys. All right? So if you're really on a budget, you could create your own ring light for yourself. I use like LED strip lights and stuff like that, but that was a long time ago, so I don't really remember, but I'll definitely leave the link down below if you guys want to make your own ring light just to really save money. But lighting is important, so you want to make sure you get some good lighting. Now that you have your camera and you have your lighting, you should be all ready to go, right? Wrong. You need something to hold up your phone, right? But you need a stand for your phone to sit on. So what I have is I think it's like a selfie stick, but I'll leave a picture right here and I'll leave the link to everything that I'm talking about down in the description box just to make it easier for you guys to just click on it. But this selfie stick that I have right here, I think I got it off of Amazon and it's amazing. Like it's, I wish I could show it to you, but it's on my camera. All right, guys. Alright guys, so this is the selfie stick. I can literally attach my phone to this piece right here. It adjusts, so I can attach my phone here. And it is super long, as you guys can see. Like, look how long it is. super long, so I can literally keep it this long, or I can adjust it and make it shorter. So you guys see how it got like a little shorter, and I can make it even more shorter for when I'm like doing vlogs and stuff. I literally just vlog like this, and it's just, this right here is just amazing. Like, you need to get this specific one because this has been a lifesaver in me just making content and vlogging and stuff like that. So definitely get some type of selfie stick. All right guys, so now that you have your phone, you have your lighting, and you have your stand to place your phone on, now you're gonna need some type of aesthetic, like some type of background. As you guys can see, my background is my room, so this is kind of the aesthetic that I'm going for. Like, I'm chilling, I'm relaxed, you know, I'm just talking to you guys, so this is my aesthetic right here. But if you guys don't necessarily have a nice aesthetic, or anything that's like really chill, or you know, it's like a little crowded in your room, you want to get some type of backdrop for the back right here. So it's different ways that you could really do a backdrop. You can get wallpaper and just, you know, stick it onto your wall, and then you'll have a pattern behind you to act as your background. Or you can go to Hobby Lobby and get some fabric of your choice. I used to do this in the beginning. I got like glitter fabric. I'll probably leave a video right here of one of my first videos. I had like glitter fabric in the background, and I think I pinned it to the wall or something like that. But you could pin it to the wall with thumbtacks, or you can get an actual backdrop stand if you have the money for that, and attach it to the backdrop stand. But you want to have some type of aesthetic in the background so you can make your videos look a little bit more, you know, intriguing. So yeah, you can go to Hobby Lobby, get a piece of fabric, you know, measure it out to see how much you'll need, you know, to cover the whole entire frame of the video. But yeah, get creative, go to Hobby Lobby. You can do a pink background, blue, sparkles, whatever you want. It's really up to you. But yeah, just get some type of aesthetic and make your videos look very aesthetically pleasing to watch, okay? What you want to do, since you already have your iPhone now, you want to download iMovie on the Apple Store. Download iMovie, and this is where you're going to edit your videos. iMovie is very simple to navigate. I have been using iMovie since I started YouTube. Like, all the videos that you see on my channel have been edited on my phone with iMovie. No laptop at all. Like, I be on my phone editing all my videos, and I really have fun editing. If you don't like editing, then I guess YouTube really isn't for you unless you want to pay somebody to do it. But you should love editing if you're gonna do YouTube, and I absolutely love it. I love when I edit a video and I can just see the finished product, and it's just like very satisfying to me. So, but yeah guys, you want to download iMovie, and you want to place your video clippings in iMovie and edit them out. You want to make sure that, you know, you want to edit points where you're just kind of rambling and talking over and over again, because you want to catch people's attention. You don't want to just have a video where you're just talking, rambling all over the place. You know, you want to edit it and make sure that it's easy to look at for the viewers, because in this day and age too, people get bored quickly. So we need to edit our videos to make it more exciting for our viewers, and just, you know, overall make your video more intriguing. So definitely download iMovie so that you can make your videos stand out and you can edit them the way that you want. Since we are recording on our phones, sometimes the audio may be a little low. So on iMovie, you can adjust the audio as well. So you'll see that it's on 100%. You could bump it up to 150 or 175, depending on how loud you want it to sound. But if you find that your videos are a little low, like the audio, because you're recording on your iPhone, you can adjust that on iMovie as well. So you don't have to necessarily invest in a huge camera right away. You can literally use your iPhone, guys, literally. When it comes to thumbnails and that, I have a video on how I edit my thumbnails as well. I'll leave all that link down below, guys. You see, I love y'all because I'm leaving all the links down below for you guys for you to check out. So definitely check it out. If you guys are thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you guys are a little discouraged, like I don't have enough money to start it. Like, child, you do not need $1 million to start your YouTube channel, but you do need to invest eventually. Like, you know, you could do the little DIY ring light and stuff like that, but eventually you want to invest and get a good ring light, a good quality ring light, so your videos could just look better. So yeah guys, that's really it for my tips. I don't think there's really much more to that. You know, YouTube, you gotta just kind of finesse with it and just, you know, show your personality as you're doing it. So whatever you decide to do, just always put your personality in it and always be yourself on YouTube, okay? Because people are always gonna love you for who you are. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will use some of these tips to actually start your own YouTube channel. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any other ideas or any other things that you guys use to start your YouTube channel. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout.